Hello everyone and welcome to the DauThau.info YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you how to use the X1 software package to export tender or bidding result data to Excel file format. This package is ideal for organization and individual who need to extract bidding result into Excel file format for the purpose of research, statistics, calculation, or simply looking for the most commonly winning bidders. To register for X1 package, you have three options. First option is export historical data. The second, export current month data with a monthly service charge. The third, export current month data with an annual service charge. Each option has a different price. In addition, if you are using the VIP1 or VIP2 packages, you can purchase the X1 package at lower cost, as shown in the price table here. QK mean past or historical data, and HT mean recently or currently month data. To use the export bidding result to Excel tool, go to bidding menu, select for bidder, and then export bidder selection result to Excel. If you register for both X1 QK and X1 HT packages, the system will show the data export range as the entire time range. However, in this example, I simply registered for X1 QK package. Therefore, the system will display the data export range from the registration date backward. In short, both X1 QK and X1 HT packages offer the same features. The difference between these two packages is that X1 QK can only export past data, valid for 7 days from registration date, and X1 HT can only export data for the current month. Data from previous month will not be exported. About the number of data exporting times, both X1 QK and X1 HT packages allow unlimited data exports as long as within the validity period of the package. The software allows you to export bidding results data to an Excel file using one of 6 data filtering categories. By the name of bid inviter, by month, and by the name of winning or awarded bidder, and by the name of bid awarded goods, or by the name or ID of the ITB or invitation to bid, in other words. To provide a full understanding of the software data filtering capabilities, I will perform exporting using several data filtering methods to demonstrate how the Excel file will look like. First is exporting bidding result data by the name of inviting party. To export bidding result data by name of the bid inviter, enter the name of inviting party up to 3 parties. For example, I enter Hữu Nghị Việt Tiệp Hospital. The data export time is from February 27 to March 12, 2024, and then press export data. And the result returned is that this unit has published 11 bidder selection results from February 27, 2024 to March 12, 2024. Next is exporting bidding result data by month. To export bidding result data by month, you just need to select month or year of the data you want to export. For instance, I select March 2024 and in Hanoi City. and then the result returned is 3,222 bidder selection result within the selected month or year. Next is exporting bidding result data by keyword. To export bidding result data by keyword, enter all the content of keyword needed for data export. For example, the main keyword. The main keyword will be displayed in the return result. This keyword is mandatory that must appear in the result. And other content not mandatory like additional keyword, form, and completion time, etc. For instance, export bidding result data by the keyword construction during the time from January the 3rd, 2024 to March the 3rd, 2024 in Hanoi. The result returned is 16,195 bidding packages contained this keyword. Next is exporting bidding result data by name of winning or awarded bidder. Similarly, with exporting data by the inviting party, here you enter the name of the winning bidder. For example, I entered PVI Insurance Corporation and the result returned. This bidder has won 3,129 bidding package. Next is exporting bidding result data by the name of bid award goods. To export bidding result data by name of the goods, enter the name of the goods that needed for data export up to 5 keywords. For instance, the keywords is computer and office equipment in Da Nang City, and the result returned is 228 bidding packages have been awarded. And lastly, export bidding result data by name or ID of the ITB, invitation to bid, in other words. This is a new data export type added by DauThau.info in 2024, suitable for those people who need to export bidding results for specific bidding packages. To export bidding result data by name or ID of ITB, you can enter here the name or ID of the ITB that needed for exporting data, separated by a comma. For example, I choose and enter this ITB ID. The result returned when the data has been processed and is ready to download. After each data export, click on the download button in the file download section to download the data. For instance, I will download the file, which is a list of winning bidder here. And this is the data file after downloading. So from above, DauThau.info has shown you how to use the X1 package of software to export bidding results to an Excel file. Hopefully, with the instruction provided, you will be able to easily use the X1 package with more efficiency. If you are interested in DauThau.info or have any related question or issue, feel free to leave a comment below the video for our support. Wishing you a productive day and see you in the next videos.